Okay, so now you've managed to import your video or your animation, which is a video now, into Windows Movie Maker, so we can start making changes to it and put the finishing touches to it. So you might notice down here that your Windows Movie Maker may look like this. That's called your storyboard. It's one way of editing, but it's not very nice to use. So click on Show Timeline. That's one left click, and you'll see this is timeline. So it's actually going up in increments of 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6, 8, 10, 12. You can use these little magnifying glasses, minus and plus, to zoom out. So if I zoom out, now it's like increments of 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So that's kind of self-explanatory. Okay, so I left click and drag my clip down onto the timeline. I'm going to zoom in a bit because my clip is really short. The clip's only 4 seconds, as you can see there. It comes up there, it's actually 4 seconds, 4.16 seconds. Okay, so I can click play timeline. You notice this blue cursor moving across the screen. Also up here on the right hand side is the preview of your actual video clip. So your video clip may have come in and broken up into a few different parts, so you need to bring them down onto this in the order that they come in. So if there's 1, 2, 3, etc., and just drag and drop. So in theory I can drag this video down again and again and again if I wanted to. So that's something you could experiment with, but I don't want that, so I'm going to select it, just click on it and delete. Okay, so there's my 4-second animation. The first thing I'm going to do is record my voiceover. Okay, so there's a little mic here. Left click on that once, narrate timeline. This is actually a really good function in Movie Maker. It means you can actually watch your video while you're narrating your timeline. So the very first thing I'm going to do is set my levels. Now, depending on your computer, the mic on this computer is really sensitive, so I'm going to drop the levels right down. So I'm talking quite normally and it's going up into the red. But if I was shouting really loudly, it goes really red and sounds terrible. So on my particular computer I've set it there, so as I'm talking normally it's just above the green, it's in the yellow, so that's good. Okay, so if you're ready, like most of your videos are probably about 40 seconds long, which will be give you enough time to do your voiceover. But for the purpose of mine, it's only 4 seconds, so I'm gonna just say some gibberish for the purpose of showing you how to do this. So you click on Start Narration, and I am a cup and I'm spinning around and I'm going across a table, and okay, automatically when your timeline stops playing, this comes up on the screen. This is really important. So as soon as your timeline is finished playing, it automatically asks you to save the narration, the thing you've just recorded somewhere. So again, desktop, so I'm going to save in desktop. Automatically it calls it cup animation rough cut narration. Save. Okay, now you'll notice once you've clicked save, it's put your animation down here onto this track beneath your video clip. Okay, so now I should be able to play that back and hear myself. And I'm a cup and I'm spinning around and I'm going across a table. Okay, so it cut me off a little bit short there because I wasn't quick enough with my my voiceover at the very end. But that's actually how simple it is. By left clicking and dragging on this at the top part of the blue cursor in the timeline, I can move anywhere to any particular frame. Okay, that's a really nice function as well. For example, and if I don't want to use that and I want to watch my clip again, and I'm going, well, I can't see anything here, where's my clip? Click on this, it automatically rewinds the timeline. Click on play, and I'm a cup and I'm spinning around and I'm going across a table. Okay, so that's pretty bad voiceover. Hopefully yours will be better. Great. Now, let's say I don't like that voiceover. What do? Left click on it, press the delete button, it's gone. And I just go and do it all over again. So start narration. I'm a cup and I'm moving across the table and I'm about to stop. Oh my god, I've stopped. Okay, automatically this comes up on your screen. save Windows media file, desktop, cut Batman animation, rough cut, narration, and it's automatically called at 00001. So I know it's the next one that I've done. Click save, and look at it, it puts it right down onto my timeline. So all I have to do is click play. Narration. I'm a cup and I'm moving across the table and I'm about to stop. Oh my god, I've stopped. Okay, so this is really about you getting your timing right, and making sure when you're recording your voiceover that you're watching exactly what's happening on the screen. Again, I can use my mouse to click and drag that around the timeline. But in a nutshell, that is exactly how to record voiceover over your animation. To get back to away from start narration from this screen, just click on done. And there you go, you're back to your main screen. Just click on tasks, and this is what your screen your Windows Movie Maker project should look like all the time. So that's how to record voiceover. That's how to bring video onto your timeline and record voiceover in Windows Movie Maker.